Even premium doors can lose alignment over time. Traditional hinge systems often allow gradual sagging, creating uneven gaps, friction, and instability. That's where 3D adjustable hinges make the difference. Engineered for precision, they allow fine-tuned height adjustment, keeping the door perfectly aligned even after years of use. Width adjustment ensures balanced reveals and seamless spacing across every edge. Every movement is controlled, every detail is intentional. Because true luxury isn't just about how a door looks on day one. It's about how perfectly it performs.